A second federal judge has slapped down President Trump's executive order ending birthright citizenship for children of illegal immigrants. That ruling out of the U.S. District Court in Maryland, it follows a similar one in Seattle, which issued a 14-day restraining order. A hearing on that case is set for today. Alicia Nieves is keeping track of all of these moving details for us this morning. So, Alicia, why did the Maryland judge reject the executive order, and how does it differ from last month's ruling in Seattle?
Yeah, good morning, Markie. In her ruling, the U.S. District Judge Deborah Boardman basically said that no court in the country has endorsed the Trump administration's interpretation of the 14th Amendment, and, quote, this court will not be the first. George Boardman, a Biden appointee, is now, as you noted, the second judge to issue this nationwide pause on the president's controversial executive order over birthright citizenships. I mean, last month, U.S. District Judge John Konauer, a Ronald Reagan appointee in Seattle, called the president's action, quote, blatantly unconstitutional. Some stronger words there. Now, while Judge Kuhner's injunction is only temporary, we have to note in terms of the differences, Judge Boardman's order is indefinite and will remain in place until the merits of this case are resolved. We know, of course, the Trump administration still can appeal that decision, but Wednesday's court hearing and this resulting injunction was in response to a lawsuit brought by immigrants' rights advocacy groups CASA and Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project. These groups actually brought a handful of expectant mothers to court. One mother said that she, quote, was worried her baby would be denied a right that is guaranteed under the Constitution, the right to be a U.S. citizen. She also said she appreciated the relief that this ruling would give her, at least temporarily. Now, the Maryland case, we have to know, is one of 9 federal lawsuits challenging the executive order. In Washington, there is a case being heard today at 1 p.m., 10 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to, of course, mark and watch that, Markie. But gotta note, the Trump administration has already responded to these lawsuits, saying they're going to fight this all the way to the Supreme Court if they have to.
Yeah, their fight's not going to end here or anytime soon.
No.
Alicia, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.